Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Linux 10.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Oracle Linux official website and download the 10.2 ISO image. Okay, this is the URL to download. I will keep this link in the video description. Then see here we have the latest release 10.2 and see here we have the three different ISOs, full ISO, boot ISO and source ISO. If you want to see the difference, see here we have the definitions. Okay, in this video I am going to download and install this full ISO. So click on this DVD ISO. See, download started and its size is about 10.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse where you kept the downloaded ISO file. See here I have the Oracle Linux 10.2 DVD ISO. Click on next. Now select the type as Linux and version as. See here we have the Oracle Linux up to 9. If you don't have the 10, select the latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware and change the values. I want to increase this memory to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Use this pointer to up and down, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Okay. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings. Okay. If you want to provide description, you can provide here for this virtual machine. Then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 10.2 and hit enter. Then select the language from this list. Then click on continue. See here the begin installation has been graded. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled. So installation destination, I'm okay with the defaults. Then root account, by default it is disabled. If you want to enable, click on this enable root account, then set the password. Then click on done. User creation, I'm going to give username as R2 schools and this is user full name. I want to add administrative privileges to this user account. Also require a password. Select both the boxes and provide the password. Set the password. Then click on done. Remaining installation source software selection. See, by default it has selected server with GUI. For server you can select this radio button. If you select base environment, different options will come. See here. Okay, additional mail software, whatever you want, you can select this. Then click on done. Remaining options I am going with the defaults like keyboard, language support, time and date. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, successfully installed. Click on reboot system. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Or if you want to log in with root account, just you need to click on not listed, then give the root and hit enter. Then you have to provide the password. Okay. But I am going to log in with the newly created user. Now open terminal. If you want to get the full screen, just you need to click on this enter full screen mode. Now increase the font size and color. Go to preferences. Select any one of these patterns. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version more / etc os-release. See, we have installed Oracle Linux server and its version is 10.2. Go to quit. Now verify the IP of this machine. Control IF config. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Control. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux server version number 10.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.